Autobots.
Oh, yeah.
Optimus.
Humans have asked us to play by their rules. Well, the rules have just changed. So there's been no sign of any others.
Nada.
We are all gods left.
They're picking us off one by one.
Optimus, can I talk to you later? You know, they've been through a lot. I never did know how you did it. Keeping them together is one of the hardest tasks I think I've ever had to do. Optimus, we thought you were dead. We've seen so many losses lately. It's just been really hard for them. Especially Sideswipe. He's losing faith, Prime. So, you brought more humans?
They've risked their lives for mine. We owe them.
Have you heard anything about Sam? Bumblebee's been frequently asking me. No.
Lockdown is hunting us, and humans are helping. We need to know why.
Well, listen, I don't know why, but I have an idea about who. This drone I stole recorded footage of an Autobot raid. It's in pieces. Watch what happens here.
Oh, that's Leadfoot.
They rip them apart.
Savages.
And later his truck comes to haul him off. KSI, Kinetic Solutions. Defense, aerospace, government contracts. And they designed this drone.
So these government guys just hunt you down and then pass you off to this KSI?
The company's headquartered in Chicago. It could be where they were taken.
No way to get inside without a battle.
Well, what if you had some human help?
What are you two partners now?
Sweetie, we're targets now too. We need to know why we never get our lives back.
Autobots, I have sworn to never kill humans.
Big mistake.
But when I find out who's behind this, he's going to die.
What?